Hi guys, Hayden Simmons here from the Portrait Guru, and in today's video I'm going to share one cross-hatching drawing exercise that you can do to not only improve your drawing skill but also your shading and your rendering, and also to add more depth to your drawings. Stick around until the end as I'll share a demonstration of how you can take through what you've learnt in this video and apply it to a finished drawing. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Mark making drawing exercise. A good drawing skill uses a combination of solid foundation, skills and mark making. This exercise will help you step out your comfort zone and help you discover new ways and marks which you can create. Here's a few examples which you can try. Cross hatching, so draw lines horizontally, vertically and diagonally on top of each other. Then try shorter strokes on top of each other, and then try drawing in different directions. Tapered lines, so press semi-hard into the drawing surface and then taper it off by releasing pressure. What sort of mark can you create? Then do the opposite, light touch, gravitating towards hard pressure. Scribbles, so practice scribbles to see how you can build your tones. So try light, medium and hard pressure. What can you create? Experiment with shorter strokes, longer scribbles to tapered scribbles.
Focus on drawing lines using your whole arm, not just your wrist. Practice drawing diagonally, horizontally to vertically. Experiment with different lengths of line, its direction, to how you hold your pencil whilst drawing. Try holding your pencil using an overhand grip and underhand grip to how you would write. What's the difference in lines you can create with these different pencil holds? Rotate your paper to make your drawing more comfortable.
So how can it help your drawing? So this exercise broadens your visual language as you're experimenting with different techniques to create a mark on a page. Subjects like hair, trees to landscapes all require different forms of marks to visually represent the subject realistically. So how long to do this exercise? I recommend you do this exercise for 3 to 5 minutes.
Now I'm going to show you how to take what you've learned into a finished drawing. You can follow along with me, or you can copy a photo of your choosing for your own drawing. I recommend you select an uncomplicated black and white photo for your drawing, like mine here. This is so you can easily see the lights and darks within the image. Don't worry too much if your final drawing doesn't look like the photograph, as this isn't the goal here. The target here is to practice what you've learnt, including tapered lines, cross-hatching and scribbles to build your darks and to form your lights. I'm using a pen here, but you can also do this exercise with any pencil of your choosing. I recommend a soft pencil like a 2B, a 4B or a 6B for this exercise. Rotate your paper where you need to and be sure to have fun building out the image. And there you go, the final drawing using a combination of scribbles, tapered lines to cross hatching. Give this video a like, subscribe to the Portrait Guru for even more videos, and I highly recommend you check out these drawing exercises to further improve your drawing skill.